Take a look at this 2016 Scion IA. This IA has just under 500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 33 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 42 on the highway. This IA boasts a 1.5-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, auxiliary audio input, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 800-227-1111 extension 124. Or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.